you able to support growth efficiency with visibility across the project lifecycle? Have you eliminated the painful manual process of managing complex project accounting? Is your revenue recognition process GAAP-compliant and audit-ready? Can you instantly identify your most profitable projects? Introducing Sage Intacct, the preferred financial system of the AICPA, serving the needs of project-based organizations like yours. By bringing together time and expense, project management, costing and billing, and back-end accounting into one system, we're able to create project accounting depth and visibility to keep you in control. Let's look at an example of a professional consulting firm providing services to clients on a project basis. The CFO needs to track project margins by types of projects and clients, revenue by billable employees, and utilization. She knows that client needs and expectations around billing can vary widely depending on the nature of the project, and failures in timely, accurate billing can cost the company key accounts. The firm recently added technology implementation consulting to their list of services, which has increased both billing and accounting complexity. Supporting implementation requires longer contracts and adjustments to back-end revenue recognition. With news of increased competition in their market, the partners want to make sure that their own business is competing through optimal performance. And they want to analyze the new set of offerings this afternoon. Thanks to Intacct's ability to capture the complete picture of each project's financial and operational metrics, the CFO can now provide both summary and deep dive views of project performance. We start with a dashboard that focuses on the status and health of projects. At a glance, performance cards show us where the company sits by tracking key performance metrics for a project-based company. For instance, we can see the total billed revenue for the period. The CFO can drill down to show the details behind the summary. By combining operational information such as billable hours with financial information like revenue, we're able to get to an average revenue per billable hour. Because projects is a dimension tracked through the system, we can break out revenues, expenses, and even journal entries by the projects they relate to. We can also break out information by employee to get a view of individual performance, or by type of work to see which lines of business are most profitable and which are struggling. And a utilization report is available right inside the dashboard. In a note in Collaborate from the VP of Services, we see that the ratio of billed to unbilled accounts has improved, leading to an improvement in the billed to paid accounts ratio. Because the system is capturing time and expenses and handling project management and billing, the company is able to bill without waiting for consultant reports to get rekeyed into the system. Both finance and project management stay up to date on project performance by consulting a single source of information. Client bills, even bills based on milestones or nonlinear schedules, are more accurate and don't run the risk of being double billed, an issue the company had when the process was more manual. Diving into a profit and loss report by project or project type, the CFO is able to show the most profitable projects and type of projects. The system accounts for both direct and indirect costs contributing to the performance of a project. The partners can now analyze these projects and decide what kind of opportunities to pursue. By adding a comment to her Intacct Collaborate feed about the partner's decision, the CFO is able to permanently store the decision in the financial system. Months from now, when the partners are discussing their shift in direction, they can replace speculation with a documented decision. Because billing and revenue recognition are automated, the CFO can instantly display a forecast of billing, revenue recognition, and cash. The partners can get a clear sense of the financial position of the company and even compare that to previous months, quarters, or years. In summary, we see that combined operational and financial metrics led to strategic insights into project performance without the need for external spreadsheets. The CFO is able to slice and dice information to find which projects were profitable and which were not. Automation, from time and expense through to billing, eliminated revenue leakage, as well as allowed for flexible billing methods to meet customer needs. Automated accounting also kept the firm GAAP-compliant by applying the latest revenue recognition guidelines. The company is able to move forward with confidence in an ever more competitive services marketplace. Take control of your project accounting by scheduling a live demo with Sage Intacct today.